Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Right Laban Sports Social and Cultural Organization haka arpunyo dari unai luar Raja Arpusan kala Pynkup Burom the 22nd Meritorious Award for Students Raja Arpusan Shaki South Spa Saupusaw ngot ki Samla Pule ka South Shillong Constituency but some laptop Shaki hanyo punyo ngot ki Samla Pule ka Thain South Shillong Constituency ki pass bha but buan shakman haki examine ba pher jong Islam Raja Arpusan Yaki kusna mariki laptop la samdo simbut menteri ramba kajila uba pestunten song hak jinalang menteri katanat arts and culture uba sanbor shulai uba deru MLA ka South Shillong Constituency ki principal ki nongyalam shnong bat ki Samla Pule habakran hashwa bansam award uba prestun ulayro ek right laban hak jinalam uba sanbor shulai dak ba Pynkup Burom ki Samla Pule khnang ban ai mensiam yaki Samla Pule Shushu uba prestun ulo ongru bakalong kebadan kam ya baro ki MLA ban bot nuksai ke sin jam jong ke right laban khnang ban kentiu shushu e ka pulik puthi uba prestun ulo ongru baka sarkar jila ke le ban trei bha nak da jimentoi ki pat ba bar ka jila baro ka wei handai minta ka kenti ki pat ba ki lap miet tang ban keno e ka sarkar da ja kanu gu jinja handai ka sarkar kam sngap e ki bekin tho bat kanang ye trei nak da ka jingba Haba ajingkran na kaliang Menteri Katanat Arts and Culture uba Sanbor Shulai kumju UMLA ka South Shillong Constituency ulakentu ki Samla Pule banang yai treshitom khnang bakin yok het yu so ka jingjob
Prasad, Mopper Model. Babita Kumari. A huge round of applause for Babita Kumari. A huge round of applause for Bati Shisha Longta. Dayarisha.
Look here.
Sorry, Nazarene Longha. Followed by Nazia Mongrom, Laban Asmi's girls can followed by Prapti Guru of followed by Priya Kumari Arya.
Constituency and to share each and everyone to share the state, our beloved state like that. So thank you so much, sir. I would like also to express my sincere thanks to all our beloved, respected principal, vice principal, student, teachers of various institutions who have present here today, and also to all my friends, respected Rambashnong, Sketchishnong, and all members present here who are the leaders of traditional institutions. and also all the invitees, dignitaries, and the parents, the guardians, the relatives of all the awardees of today, and especially all the students who are the awardees who will be receiving this award today. And the committee has also categorized few categories, and there will be about 5 to 6 categories where laptop will be given to all the toppers of all the categories. That will be happen after the end of this award. I would like also to express my sincere thanks to our friends from the electronic media and the printing press who have spared a valuable time to cover this program. Thank you so much. And I would like also to express my sincere thanks to all the staff and members of the art and culture who have extended all their possible help towards the towards this program. And I would like to request also on behalf of the organization and on behalf of you, please do remain till the end of the program, because after the award, distribution of laptop to all the toppers will be done after the award, which will be followed by lucky draw. So we request all the awardees, when you come forward to the stage to receive your award, don't forget to drop your lucky coupon in this box here, red box. Okay? So I will not lengthen my speech with these few words. Here you have seen the message of the organization. Look at the left, teacher. Teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. That is the message of our teachers. Looking at my right side, student. Education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. And we are also giving a message regarding drugs. As a government, we appeal and request to each and every one of you to please come forward and cooperate with the government as to enable us to work as a team, as a family, to eradicate the drugs menace, the drugs trafficking. So with this work, with these few words, once again on behalf of the organization and on behalf of our government, the MDA too, we wish all the students a brighter future and wish you all the best. God bless you all. Thank you. Pule, Methala, and Jai.
At the outset, I was shocked entering this hall. I never thought that the occasion today, invited by my colleague in the government, my colleague in the assembly, is such a wonderful, well-organized function. I think before I proceed further, the credit goes to Basan Boshumai. I would also like to congratulate him for assuming the responsibility as part of the cabinet member in the government of Meghalaya. On the 16th evening, I remember this month, we had the oath taking ceremony in Rajbhavan. And Basan Ward, being your local MLA, he has done a good job. That's why he deserves this responsibility to serve not only your constituency, but to serve the state as a whole. With your blessing, he is as he is today. And I would request all of you to further extend your blessing, your prayers upon him, so that he can further give their best services in his journey as a politician. Friends, and especially the students who are supposed to receive this special recognition done by the organization. I think you don't want to prolong anymore because you would like to see this important gift which is lying before all of you. But let me tell you one thing. The initiative taken by the organization under the leadership of the President, the executive members, I think has really increased the motivation to all the students of the Shillong South Constituency. I just asked Basanbor, is there any trend of increasing or decreasing the outcome of the examination, different examinations that we have annually? And he said, Song, the trend is very good, very positive. It keeps increasing. 444 students, this is not a joke. Only from your constituency alone. We have 60 constituencies. I don't know my constituency how many hundreds we have. But I wish I should also follow your footsteps. And if 60 constituencies into by 444, I think you are all expert in calculation. You do it. Within 5 years' time, I think our literacy rate should have been 100%. But I think you are all aware that the literacy rate that we have right now, it is still not that satisfactory. 91, 92% yeah. And our target, by 2028, we should reach the destination of 100%. So I salute Sandor Shulai for this important program, because this message goes down not only to the students alone, but it goes down to the parents, to the community. We really need to encourage them. We have here all important dignitaries, I don't want to name, including the traditional heads, the Rlssco. My only message for today's function is, let us, all of us, take the responsibility of building up a better Meghalaya. Let us build up a better Meghalaya. Some people say, if anything unfortunate incident happened, people used to say, it's government failure. They know only to pinpoint the government. President Song is useless home minister. The criminal activities keep increasing in Shillong. But let me tell you one thing. I would like to place it on record. Our police force did a tremendous job. We keep doing that and we'll try to do the best. But my sharing with all of you is, let us, all of us, share the responsibility. Few incidents happened, I think within 1 month or maybe 2 months back. There were incidents which ultimately we said, it never happened in Meghalaya. But what happened? At the end of the entire process of investigation, we found out that it was fake. It's very unfortunate, it was fake. 3-4 cases happened that way. So I would call upon all the parents, you are just like a temple in your own sweet home. Please remember that. Being a father, it is my bounden duty to give the best education to my children. Being a parent, we need to take this responsibility, and we don't have to transfer the responsibility to others. My young children, as rightly mentioned by discrepancy education, I would also like to add, those toppers, we don't have to transfer the responsibility to others. My young children, as rightly mentioned by discrepancy education, I would also like to add, those toppers, meritorious students, it is the start of your journey. It is just the beginning of your journey, and your career lies on you. One day, one of you, you'll have to take a lead in running the government. Not that Bak Presto and Bak Sanbo will continue for 30, 40, 50 years, not at all. But you are the one to take over. You have to take over. And before taking over, you have to be fully equipped yourself. And once that is done, Meghalaya will further shine in the next generation, maybe in the 22nd century. We will see that Meghalaya is one of the best states in the country. So I don't want to prolong much. As I've said, we have so many programs today, the whole day. Friends, my dearest students especially, don't forget your president, right from the very beginning he said, remember to drop the carpet. I also would like to drop the carpet. You never know, I may be the luckiest one to get this gift. So please, my dearest student, here is your day, and you won't get a local MLA like Sanbo Shillong, who really spent time, who is really dedicated for your journey and your